Hello and welcome to Oliver. Python and Ruby on Rails, ROR, are dynamically typed languages that offer great debugging methodologies and readable syntax. Both languages assist developers in enhancing productivity as well as collaboration. The mobile games market is expected to reach a projected market volume of $118.90 billion by 2027. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between Python and Ruby on Rails for web development. Python is an open-source programming language, while Ruby on Rails is a framework for Ruby used for backend development. Python provides its own frameworks such as Django, Flask, etc. for web development. Python frameworks like Django and Flask offer rapid development with built-in libraries and tools. Python is best used for both small web applications and large-scale systems, with applications like Instagram, Netflix, SpaceX, and Spotify. Ruby on Rails promotes rapid development cycles and faster prototyping with minimal code and high readability. Ruby on Rails is used by popular sites like Airbnb, GitHub, and Shopify for its scalability and security features. Let's look at the key differences between Ruby on Rails and Python. Ruby on Rails promotes a creative style of coding, while Python follows a conservative style. Python is widely used for scientific calculations, data analysis, and educational websites, while Ruby on Rails is best for startups, SaaS, and e-commerce sites. In conclusion, both Python and Ruby on Rails offer scalability and efficiency for web development projects. The choice between Python and Ruby on Rails depends on project preferences and team expertise. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up.